Understanding Whispers of the Oak. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an enchanting phrase that paints pictures with words, whispers of the oak. This phrase is not just a string of words but a gateway to a world filled with imagery, symbolism, and deep meaning. Let's embark on this journey together to uncover the layers hidden within these words. At first glance, Whispers of the Oak might seem like a simple collection of words. However, each word carries its own weight and significance. Whispers refers to soft, hushed sounds, often associated with secrets or gentle communication. The word oak, on the other hand, brings forth the image of a sturdy, grand tree that has stood the test of time. When combined, these words evoke a sense of nature speaking softly, sharing secrets or wisdom that has been nurtured over centuries. The oak tree has been a symbol of strength, endurance, and wisdom across various cultures and mythologies. It is often seen as a noble guardian of the forests, offering shelter and sustenance to those around it. By referring to the whispers of the oak, the phrase invites us to imagine leaning close to an ancient tree, listening to the subtle sounds it makes, perhaps the rustling of its leaves or the creaking of its branches, and interpreting these as messages or guidance from nature itself. In literature and poetry, whispers of the oak could be used to set a scene, evoke a mood, or symbolize ancient wisdom being imparted to those who are attentive enough to listen. It can add a layer of mystique and depth to storytelling, encouraging readers to think beyond the literal and explore the metaphorical meanings nature might hold. For English language learners, incorporating phrases like whispers of the oak into your vocabulary can enrich your language skills and help you convey complex ideas in a poetic and impactful way. It's an example of how English can be used to create vivid imagery and express abstract concepts through the power of metaphor. Whispers of the Oak is more than just a phrase. It's a doorway to imagination, a bridge to the natural world, and a testament to the beauty of English language expression. We hope this exploration has inspired you to listen more closely to the stories nature tells and to use the English language in creative and expressive ways. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the journey of language learning is not just about words, but the worlds they can create. Happy learning!